Turning out the dough to bake can be a little tricky. I use parchment paper, a pastry brush, and a bread lamb, a water spritzer, oven gloves of course, and my trick of the trade, a shallow pizza plate. Cut a piece of parchment paper, not too generous or the edges can burn. Position it over the banneton and flip gently over onto the pizza plate. Remove the banneton and dust off any excess flour and give it a good spritz of water. This keeps the dough moist so it can expand in the oven. Don't worry, you can't overdo it on the water here. Scoring is easy as you can turn the pizza plate as you need it. I prefer to use the shallow bottom Dutch ovens as I can just slide the dough onto the hot surface. Sometimes I'll use an ice cube for extra steam. For regular Dutch ovens like this Le Creuset, you will have to use 2 hands and gently lower it into the oven using gloves. Today I made an ube papaya loaf and a plain loaf as well. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've got any tips too, and if you could like and subscribe, I would be so grateful.